All right, and here's baby girl's natural hair. This is all her hair. We're gonna squeeze all this hair,
really. It's like
braid it down, blow it out, braid it down, and put these bundles in. So I know she cannot wait because she's been dying to get these bundles put in her head. That's what she does all day. Dying to get these bundles put in her head. So y'all stay tuned. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. We're coming to you to show you this hair prior to installation, and then we're going to show you the hair installed. So this hair is by BEAU Hair. It is Brazilian straight human hair. This is 3 bundles. It is 16, 18, and 20. Open one of them. 18 and 20 inches. It's straight human hair. It says 3-part 8A, 100% unprocessed Brazilian hair. This is natural black. She does have some that comes with a closure if you are interested. This particular hair that was sent did not come with the closure. Oh, let me look the lighting back up. Okay, this is what the hair looks like outside of the package. It is the Brazilian straight, so it does feel silky smooth. It's not yucky or anything like that. It does say that it is, hold on, the light's too bright. 100% unprocessed natural hair. It says you can bleach it, you can dye it, you can perm it. So we're getting ready to install this hair in baby girl's head, and we're going to come back after the install and let you know like how she liked it, if it shed any, how the hair is brushing, how it feels. We're going to do a sew-in, so we're definitely going to let you know the tracks do look thick enough for a sew-in. She may or may not need all 3 packs. Baby girl likes a full head of hair. I don't. So just depending on how much hair she wants on her head, we'll let you know if there's any hair left over or if we use all of the packs. So stay tuned and we will be back with the final install. Hey guys, and we are back with the install of the hair we showed you before. So once again, this hair was ordered off of Amazon. We will find out from the seller if she has any other sites she wants you to order from. But the name is BEAU HAIR. That is the name of the seller. I will put that down in the beauty bar down below. This is the Brazilian straight human hair. As you saw before, we had 3 bundles. We did go and purchase a closure piece. That is not hers, but we did purchase a closure piece. So that lets you know that this does play well with other hair. Like you can't even tell what part was the closure piece and what part is from the seller. Okay, this is about how much hair we had left. Just a little piece that we're going to go ahead and get rid of. I don't think we'll need it. This is a sew-in. It's not glued in, so we shouldn't need this little piece. Like, we shouldn't be losing strips or losing hair. Okay, so the hair wears very well. She's been out running around all day long, so it wears very well. It's very nice. We haven't done anything to it as far as put anything in it. There is some shedding, which if you wear hair, you know is natural. We're going to wash it and try to get some of the shedding to cease. Some of the shedding could be coming also from cutting the tracks to put the hair in. Sometimes when you're cutting the tracks to put hair in, you get those stragglies and you get some shedding. But as you can see, there is some shedding. So after this video, we're going to wash it. We may come back with an updated video, may not. Maybe in like a week or 2, just to let you know how, just a quick update to let you know how she's liking the hair. So this was 16, 18, and 22. Okay, so turn around. I'm going to move the camera down so that you'll be able to see how long. It was 16, 18, and 22. And the young lady that did the sew-in layered it. And so it stops right here, like where you would wear a belt, right above the bottom. So it is definitely long hair, okay? And you really can't tell. She did the 16, the 18, and the 22, but you really can't tell where either one ends. And I like that when you're wearing hair. It's a layered look, but it's not so much of a layered look where you can tell where everything ends. So the hair is very silky straight. The hair is very nice. So I am loving the hair. We're going to see how it washes while it's in, how it dries. I'm not sure if it's one of those hairs where when we wash it, it's going to get curly. And if that's the case, then we're going to have to... The last one did? The last hair that she had from her when she washed it, it got curly. I really would like to find somebody where straight hair, when it's washed, stays straight. Because once it goes curly, you have to do a lot of flat ironing and put a lot of stuff on it to get it to go back straight. But we're going to go ahead and do that. Fortunate for baby girl, she does like curly hair. So if it goes curly or wavy, I don't think she will mind as much if we can't get it back bone straight. But we will try to get it back bone straight if that's the case. We do have some flat iron spray. We do have some flat irons. So we're definitely going to put that to work. But if you want to get the hair from this seller, I think it was it 99?
Yeah, 99.99.
That's for the 2022 and 24?
Yeah. This one is with the 18 closure. This one with a closure.
So there's one on there for $99.99, which is not bad for 3 bundles, and it comes with a closure. We didn't get a closure, but it is a sponsored video, so we're definitely appreciative for the hair. But that is a good deal. Like $100 for 3 bundles and a closure would do my entire head perfectly. So I definitely would recommend this seller. I definitely would recommend this hair. I may try to get some from her and see if I can color it, because, you know, I don't do the black hair. But if I can color it and it colors well, and if I do get some from her, then I will go ahead and upload a video as well of me coloring it, the install, putting it in, how it washes, how it colors, and how it wears. I don't know if baby girl, right before she gets ready to take it out, she may want to try some color on it the last 2 weeks that she has it in or something, or she just may want to use it, leave it black. If she does anything to it, we will come back and let you guys know. So you wore this hair all day. What did you think about it?
To keep my windows up.
Keep your windows up because it was flying everywhere.
Yes.
Well, it's Brazilian straight, so it's not like going to be like curly hair doesn't fly as much as straight hair. And she's used to curly hair. Curly hair doesn't fly in the wind. Straight hair, when you let your windows down, that hair is going everywhere. So yeah, when you have straight hair, if you're not going to put it in a ponytail, then, and you have your windows down.
I had it in a ponytail like half the day. That's why I was like that.
Yeah. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and play in this hair. Hopefully she leaves her hair in for a pretty good amount of time. She'll probably leave it in for about a month. Is about how long she leaves it in. So if you guys want to update before she takes this out, let me know. And I'll let you guys know how long she left it in and how the hair wore and how it lasted. Okay? Thank you so much for the hair. We definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Any comments, anything you need to know, put it down below. And like I said, I will put the name and everything down below so you guys are able to find it on Amazon, and any other links that the lady does give to her for you guys will also be down below. So make sure you check the bar down below for everything, okay? We'll see you guys in the next video.